Hello and welcome to another product version unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at OpenBlue Workplace version 2026.1.1. Important things to go over for 2026.1.1 and for upcoming versions of Workplace. First, the workflow for uploading extensibility objects has changed. As part of this update, extensibility objects will need to be submitted through a ticket, reviewed by JCI, and implemented upon approval. Second, development is underway to replace the built-in reporting engine in OpenBlue Workplace. In the future, Telerik reporting will be replacing the current engine Exago BI. Exago will continue to be available as the reporting engine for existing clients for the remainder of 2026, but new clients will not have Exago included as part of the product package. As for new features of this release, 9 core reports were converted to SSRS reports as part of the transition away from Exago. AutoCAD and Revit version 2026 are compatible with this release. AutoCAD and Revit 2024 and 2025 are also compatible with this version of Workplace. And functions to assign users to locations has been added to the user list under the System Admin module. So now when we click to edit a user, in addition to seeing the normal information associated with a user, a table displaying their assigned locations is included with controls to add or delete locations. Site code is required for a new location, but a building or floor can be specified as well. There's an option to designate a location as primary for a user. Only one location for each user can be marked as their primary location. Moving on to some system enhancements. When updating members and coordinators of teams, the edit button was moved to the grid, pictured in the top right. QR scanning with the mobile app will now allow you to sign in without requiring a second QR code scan if a sign-in is needed. And fonts, colors, and button layouts were all updated to be consistent across various forms and pop-ups, pictured in the bottom right. Some additional WCAG enhancements are included in 2026.1.1. Updates to keyboard controls include better compatibility with Firefox and Safari, and the addition of some field labels on views and forms. And updates for focus order and alternative text for images are part of this version too. Performance updates for the room picker were made, the persistent right-click tab bug was resolved, and some issues with UI display in Firefox were fixed. Pause here if you want to read through the rest of the bug fixes and improvements for 2026.1.1. Next, I'll highlight 3 items from the list of software updates, those being an update to the content security policy settings, a fix for the Move Survey report, and updates to the sitemap permissions page. So first up, the content security policy settings page has been updated to include a button that will reset the settings on this page back to their default values. A bug affecting the Move Survey report was resolved. The path to find that report is displayed here. And lastly, the sitemap permissions page under System Administration was updated to include a scroll bar. That's all for this version unboxing. Thanks for watching.